Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through the steps on how you go about sending money from your bank account or your debit card, for instance, to someone through the Cash App. So what you want to do is, if you have their QR code to scan, you can click this little option in the upper left hand corner to take a picture of that QR code. Otherwise, you can just enter in the amount that you want to send right here. And let's say we want to send $5, so we'd enter in that amount, and then in the bottom area we click where it says pay. And at this point, we need to select the funding source. So right here at the top, we have a little drop-down menu that we can open up, and that'll open up this menu that gives us the different options that we can fund this with. And if you want to send the funds with your bank account, just select your bank. And if you haven't already added the funding source that you want to send the money with, you can also add that in this area, but I'm going to click the bank option. And at this point, I need to enter in the contact, so I can enter in their name to try to find them in my contacts. I can put in their cash tag. I can enter in a phone number as well as an email. So you have to select one of those options that you want to send these funds to. And there's also an option to enter in a note if you'd like to add that. And once you've entered in a valid contact, then you can click the pay option in the upper right-hand corner to send those funds from your bank or a debit card that's linked up with your bank account over to somebody else. So I hope this video was helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how you go about sending money from your bank over to someone else through the Cash App. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll get you back here next time.